ever wanted to grow fruits and vegetables in your home? Yep. Yeah. This is our kitchen.
The frog said, "You know what? If you kiss me, I will turn into a beautiful princess."
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अनदर व्लॉग। सो यार आज है साइनोवेशन और प्रिपरेशन का व्लॉग मैंने ख़त्म कर दिया था, अभी किया है। तो साइनोवेशन का स्टार्ट किया था पिछले साल, इस जगह पर हुआ था साइनोवेशन और अभी इस जगह पर है, मतलब नॉर्दर्न लोन में। और हम कार्ड्स वगैरह लेके जा रहे हैं, सामने सर वगैरह सारे फिर हैं, सर आसिफ सर, तोसीफ वगैरह, मैम वगैरह। सो चलते हैं। सो गाइस अभी ना कुछ इस तरह के सीन्स हैं, यानी कि वो एंटर हैं, उधर से एंटर होकर ये सारा मतलब इस तरह से, मतलब पिछली बार भी कुछ इस तरह का ही था, लेकिन पिछली बार कम था, इस बार थोड़ा उन्होंने बड़ा कर दिया एरिया। और वो सामने वहीं पिछले साल वाली एलसीडी मुझे लग रही है। और बाकी यार ये देखो, मैंने फ़िलहाल इधर रख दी है, लेकिन मुझे पता नहीं है टैक्स किस जगह पर लगना है हमारा। बाकी हमारी सोसाइटी वो देखो, वो नीचे सबसे नीचे रखा है उन्होंने, जूनियर बायोलॉजिकल क्लब को। चलो कोई बात नहीं। सो दिखाता हूँ अभी।
One hour later.
All the members of the faculty from Foreign Christian College are chartered gurus. So please give them a big round of applause.
जाओ उनके आगे से लो।
Ma'am Mariam, Dr. Shazma, Dr. Jafar,
एंड जूरी वगैरह भी आ गई है अंदर। यार मैं ना अंदर से जाकर जरूर दिखाऊंगा आपको सारे सीन।
Meanwhile,
We made windmills which can generate electricity, which can generate energy with air, with wind, and we made solar panels, solar energy. Thank you. Very well done. Very well. You stay, Professor Conrad. Good. Nishan, I would like to have yours and your supervisor's number. Sure. Okay, please.
कर दो।
तुम्हें क्यों इसमें चलो निकलो। गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
ये सर तो
आप कहाँ थे ज्ञानी बाबा?
बकवास ना करो, तुम बैठ जाओ।
बैठो बेटा, बहुत कुछ समझना है जिंदगी में।
हाँ इधर से पढ़ो
ना, चुप कर जाओ।
My model is about drip irrigation system. So basically, drip irrigation system involves operating by delivers water to the base of plants through a network of tubes and emitters. So how this works? This is a water reservoir. Now I switch the pump on. The water goes from this reservoir to this tank, and then from this tank the water goes through these pipes. As you can see, the plants get water from right now. So we are providing them water as per their requirements only. So there will be no wastage of water.
This is the working mechanism of the heart, that how deoxygenated blood changes into oxygenated blood. The deoxygenated blood from the body enter into the heart by vena cava. Vena cava pumps this blood towards the right atrium. Right ventricle pumps the blood towards the right ventricle. Right ventricle pumps this blood towards pulmonary trunk. By pulmonary trunk, the blood enters to the lungs. Here the lungs, the oxygen mixes with the blood and the blood becomes oxygenated. This oxygenated blood moves towards the right atrium and right ventricle. Right ventricle pumps this blood to aorta, and aorta pumps this blood all over the body. As you can see that how the oxygenated bloods.
We made it on a small scale. We have used 5 lemons and it has an electrolyte. But if we use it on a larger scale, we can produce more electricity. As you know, Pakistan is buying electricity very costly, and you know the electricity is causing very pollution. So there is a pollution measure, and we are not using any type of electricity to produce electricity, generate current. As you know, like it is a direct current method. What is the capacity of the single lemon? Sir, how many volts are the amperes can be? 5 light coming is 1/2, so the probability is 1/2.
You can spin it as well, so you can know the probability of 1/2 is just like 0.5. No. Yes, it can be. Because there are two sides. There's a 50% chance of each side coming. Because the coin has two sides. After that, we have an example of 6-sided die. There are 6 numbers on the die, so the probability of each side occurring is 1/6. We are following events in the hour. There are 2 events.
Ever wanted to grow fruits and vegetables in your home? Yep. Yeah. This is output. In IoT-based AI-generated ecosystem, which will have fruits and vegetables, which will have fishes in it. It's a complete ecosystem without using any soil. You can grow fruits and vegetables in it.
What's your place inside? How you monitoring it? And where you bought this place?
I've made this at my own level. This is the module we are using. This will control the sensors, and this will control. This is the Wi-Fi module. I have both the spare parts also. So this is the mobile application interface. You can do this from anywhere around the world. We have lights controlled, everything controlled in this environment. We have temperature control. This is our graph chart. This is in hours, days, weeks, and months. We have complete graph chart of plants growth. How are you going to grow?
Yes.
Thank you.
German boat.
मुझे पता चला तो फिर 1-2 दिन बाद मैंने आना था तो मैंने कहा चलें विल मीट यू देयर। तो मैं आया तो मुझे पता चला वहाँ पे स्टाफ डिपार्टमेंट आ गया।
कोई ना होके भी कुछ लागे तू मेरा, कोई ना होके भी कुछ लागे किया रे जो भी तूने कैसे किया रे, दिया को मेरे बाद ऐसे लिया रे, समझ के बिना समझ न सकूं सवेरों का मेरे तू सूरज लागे, तू मेरा कोई ना होके भी कुछ लगे।
बन गई स्टीक
अपना बना ले पिया,
उससे पहले सर आ जाए बंद कर दो।
Please, Dr. Mabati, share a few words with us.
Thank you, Aris. I'll take a leaf from Dr. Sunil's book and would like to start with a story. So, someone asked this scientist, why did he choose to be a scientist? And he replied, my mother made me a scientist. And he said, how? He said, when every other mother in Brooklyn would ask their child, so
to
appreciate it, and thank you very much for evaluating the projects. Thank you very much. Reception committee, it was a good reception. Thanks for working. Media. Walking in an enchanted garden, and he did not know that the garden was enchanted. And he didn't see anybody around him, but he heard somebody say, "Hello, hello." He looked around, didn't see anybody, and then the voice said, he heard it say, "Hey, I'm here, I'm here." So he looked down, and there was a toad, a frog sitting there. And the frog said, hold me. So he was very excited that, oh, this frog. So this man picked the frog up, and the frog said, how are you doing? He said, I'm doing good. And the man was so excited. And the frog said, you know what? If you kiss me, I will turn into a beautiful princess. And the man got so excited, he very quickly put him in the pocket and started walking. And he said, the frog said, what's happening? What are you doing? You're walking away. You put me in the pocket. What are you doing? He said, yeah, I'm just walking, taking you home. He said, kiss me. He said, no. At this age, I'd rather have a talking frog. I'm sure that many of you students spent so many nights thinking about what kind of projects you want to make.
2,000 years later.
2000 साल बाद हम लोग ये खा रहे हैं। इसका जरूर लगाते हैं हम। हाँ चलते हैं, ये खा लो पहले। सो
देखते हैं 5 मिनट में कितनी जाती है। इसके मतलब इस वेरिएबल की वैल्यू 0 है। तो ये जो है ना वेरिएबल जो हमने बनाया है, ये पोसॉन वेरिएबल की अप्रॉक्सीमेशन है। पोसॉन वेरिएबल का पता है?
नहीं, बता दो।
वो एक और प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है, मतलब नॉर्मल के अलावा उसकी अप्रॉक्सीमेशन ही है।
मैं समझ आपकी बात को जो आप क्लियर करना चाह रहे हैं कि प्रोबेबिलिटी देख बेसिकली
डिफरेंट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशंस की प्रोबेबिलिटी
It should be between 18.5 से अच्छा।
and you are in between.
Yeah, please.
Do you know your height and weight?
6.5 something.
A few inches later.
सर हमें ये जो अभी साइनोवेशन हुआ है इसके रिगार्डिंग रिमार्क्स।
I am really feeling very inspired, ठीक है, by the hard work and the efforts जो कि students ने अपने posters में और अपने 3D working models में की है। I mean from development to the apps to the algorithm, the codes, वो सारा जो अब biology society जो हमारा junior biology club है उसका जो winning model है, it is really amazing to see how much students are interested, ठीक है, even in the age where there are so many distractions or everyone is busy, तो फिर भी students ने इतना ज़्यादा time निकाल के इतनी efforts put की हैं और it really shows their love for science, and I'm very happy, and I am remembering my younger self when I was a student. So thank you and God bless all.
सिंगिंग करोगे आप? ये खा देगा गा सिंगिंग करो।
एक मिनट साथ सिंग भी करो साथ। मैं क्या सिंग करूँ? मुझे नहीं आता, मैंने जो कहा है वो लगा लो, फिर मुझे वो आता है। यार मैच नहीं हो रही।
Just coming and good afternoon to you. The worthy advisors are requested to please come on the stage for the group program. The worthy advisors are hereby requested to kindly join us on the stage for the group photo with band coordinator. Dr. Williams on the stage for the photograph.
गाओ गाओ गाओ
फ्लैट हो जाएंगे फ्लैट हो जाएंगे जमीन में गिर जाएंगे हमारे
He gave us some terms. One please explain this concept.
Stoicism. Stoicism is a philosophical term that explains practice of virtues are enough to achieve successful life or well-being life. What are the practice of virtues? Humbleness, generosity. Aristotle said humanity has no religion. We all are equal in our different terms. And when we are talking about Übermensch, Übermensch is a German word. Friedrich Nietzsche used this in his book Thus Spoke Zarathustra. It refers, I am not a man, I am dynamite, I can do anything in this world. And it is referring about free will of human nature. You are you, I am I, and I as a whole, which is holism in the individual psychology of Alfred Adler. And it is also describing there are two types of people in this world. People who are superior, who are following strong morality, but few people who are slaves, still working under some powers, and these people are following slave morality. If I give you an example that Mark Manson wrote in his book, Everything is Fun, which is, there are two students. One is working very hard and achieving good grades, and another student who is not working because that person has a lot financial problems, and the person who is working hard, that person is thinking, oh, why my friend is doing nothing? And the person who is achieving good but thinking about others' mistakes, that person is not a leader, that person is not following strong morality, that person is slave. We are talking about myself, I'm talking about myself, I as an individual, I as a whole. When we are talking about atheism, it is denying every existence of God and religion. But when we are talking about nihilism, nihilism is saying nothing exists in this world, no religion, no human, nothing. And Friedrich Nietzsche said this term God is that in his book Beyond Good and Evil in the annals of 1800. He said this term not for the murder of God. He said because Christianity, everything depended upon Christianity, on the morals of Christianity. And he also said there was only one Christian and who died in the sign, and that Christian was a true man. And he's saying why everything is dependent upon religions. Why we are making a dogmatic world, illogical world. We still have our free will, so we should make.
Representing that I am saying that in one line, Bill Gillen said, science is start with philosophy and ends with science. So therefore we present science.
तो यार साइनोवेशन का व्लॉग इधर ही ख़त्म करते हैं, मिलते हैं किसी और व्लॉग में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।